Hello everyone, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Why do you do Forex? Everyone wants to earn sitting at home, or those who are students, they want to do something for earning. Some students want to do something so that their education is not harmed. Many people want to increase their income as well as work. Forex is for them. Now you can say that there are many freelancing sites to earn at home. What should you do? The decision is yours. We just make it easier for you to understand. But those who talk about other freelancing sites, I will tell you can earn from there too. But you have to go there with an uncertain future, because you may become an expert by hard work, but you have to suffer a lot at first time, because no matter how expert you are, it's not easy to get a job in the beginning. There are many people who learn the work and sit for many years, but the buyer don't give them any job. Though the number is low, but you can trade in Forex at any time. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, doesn't matter. You can trade whenever you want. But it's best to do real trading after becoming an expert, so that you can trade well and your income is also good. By doing 5 and 10 minutes of analysis, you can easily earn. If your analysis is good and if you have a good investment in such a short time, such a good income is not possible on any site in the world. So viewers, those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon and active with us, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. The Forex market has many advantages that you will not see in other market. Like 1. No commission. You don't pay any commission to the brokers. Basically, your broker will charge you for spread. 2. No intermediaries. You can start trading directly. You don't have to tell third party to start trading. 3. There is no specific lot size. How much you trade will depends on you. Suppose if you go to trade silver in the future markets, you have to buy 5,000 ounces of silver. But don't be forced to buy 5,000 ounces in the Forex market. 4. Low cost. Your broker charge you very little to trade. We call that spread. It usually depends on your lot size. 5. 24 hours market. Other market usually open in the morning and close in the afternoon, and for trade you have to wait for the next day. The Forex market opens on Monday and close on Friday, and it opens for 24 hours. 6. The market can't be controlled. The Forex market is so large that if a country's central bank wants to move the price, it will not be able to do for a long time. 7. Leverage. We know about leverage. We can trade with a small amount of money. No market gives you this opportunity. 8. Easy entry into the market. You don't have to struggle against thousands of problems to enter the market. A computer and internet connection is enough. The broker will not ask you to deposit thousands of dollars. Now, broker allow $1 deposit. 9. You will get a lot of information. If you type Forex and do a Google search, you will see how much information you get. There are so much information on the internet that is far more than enough for you. You may have realized that Forex offers much better and more benefit than other markets. Why do you trade in Forex? To do this, no government fee, no exchange fee, no annual charge, no commission will be required. Charges are deducted less amount. No middle salesman is required to trade in this market. You can trade directly. This market is not open for 1 hour like our country. It's open for 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week. Here you can trade or order whenever you want. In the past, only the rich man or the bank's owner had the opportunity to trade in the Forex market. But now, with the change of time due to advent of different Forex broker and increased competition, anyone can trade in the Forex market from any country in the world. It's possible to start trading with $1. In addition, almost all brokers will allow you to trade for free demo, that is with virtual money. So first you can prepare yourself by trading demo for free, and you can start real trading by depositing. The Forex market is open for 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week, from Monday to Friday. Whether you are a trader or an employee doesn't matter. You can trade at your convenience in the forex market. You can do forex trading sitting at home. There is no need to go out, so you can give a lots of time to your family. In order to trade in the forex market, you have to do everything in online, and it's very easy to deposit and withdraw. If you can trade well, many will be encouraged to deposit with you, and in that case you can manage their account and you will get a part of their profit. Above all, a successful and skilled forex trader can earn a lots of money from this market. This is for lifetime business, from where you can earn money by using your intellect and brain, and you will be able to do for lifetime. So viewers, I think you are understand about a forex trader's opportunity. So if you get any information from this video, please like the video, and if you have any request, please write down in comment box. We will try our level best to keep your request. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.